Good morning all. I Razia Patan from Grand Manju Vidyapat, standard 5th. So students, today we'll start unit number 1. In that unit, multiplication examples will start today. Okay. So now, let's see a few examples where we use multiplication. Multiplication का use कहाँ पे है वो हम यहाँ पे सीखेंगे. ठीक है. So in that, if 25,423 trees can be planted in a month, how many trees can be planted in a year? अगर हम 1 month में, ठीक है, वन मंथ में हम लोग प्लान करते 25,423 trees. So how many trees can be planted in a year? ईयर में कितने प्लांट्स हम ग्रो अप कर पाएंगे? So in that, trees planet is equal to trees planet in a month into number of month. जितने फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम क्या करेंगे, ट्रीज प्लानेट 1 मंथ में जितने प्लांट्स है उसका डिजिट लिखना है एंड देन नंबर ऑफ द मंथ हमें लिखना है. ठीक है. सो विल गेट द आंसर. देन अ रनर रन अ डिस्टेंस of 23,270 meters in a day. How much distance does he cover in a January? So in that, what we have to do, distance cover is equal to distance covers in a day. 1 day में distance cover होता है वो, and then multiply the number of the day in the month. हमें multiply करना है number of the day के साथ. So 23,270 into 31. So we'll get the answer. A train carry 56,400 passengers in a day. How many passengers does it carry in a year? Okay. So what we have to do? Passenger carry is equal to passenger carry in a day multiply by number of the day in a year. So 56,400 into 365. Got it everyone? Okay students, now we'll start worksheet number 2. In that worksheet, multiplication in a daily life. So write down the incidents where you might need to use multiplication of the large numbers. So in that, one example is given here. A cricket stadium can seat 37,000 people for a match. How many people would have sat in a stadium for 45 matches? So what we have to do here? 35,000 into 45. So we'll get the answer easily. Then second question. 23,000 people visit Taj Mahal every day. How many visits in a 13 days? 1 day में 23,000 people ताज महल देखने को आते हैं. So 13 days में कितने आते हैं? ठीक है. That we have to find. 23,000 into 30. So we'll get the answer. A river has 17,500 fish living in it. How many fishes are there in 18 rivers? So what we have to do? 75,000 into 18. Now here we have completed A, B and C. Your homework is you have to complete the D, E, F and G. That is your homework. Now look at this everyone. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next worksheet.
Multiplication without regrouping. Hello students, this is Ramu. He is a yoga teacher. He earns 1,201 rupees a day. He works for 141 days in a year. Can we find out how much money Ramu makes in a year? Yes, we can. But which operation do we use? We know how much Ramu earns in one day. To find out how much he earns in 141 days, we will use multiplication. Let's see how. The first step is to draw the place value house. We write the bigger number first and then the smaller number and a multiplication sign here. Our next step is to start with the digit in the ones place of the smaller number and multiply it by the bigger number. Let's do the calculation. 1 multiplied by 1,201 equals 1,201. Now that seemed easy. Let's write the product in the row below as product 1. In our next step, we multiply the digit in the tens place of the smaller number by the bigger number. But do not forget, before we begin this, we must put a cross mark in the ones place of the product. Calculation time. 4 multiplied by 1,201 equals 4,804. Let's write it down to the left of the cross mark as product 2. Now, we multiply the digit in the hundreds place of the smaller number by the bigger number. But what do we do before that? Yes, we put a cross mark. But this time, we put down 2 cross marks. One in the ones place and the other in the tens place. As we know, 1 multiplied by 1,201 equals 1,201. Let's write down the product to the left of the cross marks as product 3. Now, we are at the last step. We add all the products to get the answer. We have found out how much Ramu earns in a year. It is 1,69,341 rupees. Amazing, isn't it? As you can see here, whenever we are multiplying 2 digits, the answer is a single digit and we don't have to carry over after multiplying. This type of multiplication is called multiplication without regrouping. So students, we can now solve multiplication without regrouping by using these 5 simple steps. Step 1. Draw the place value house. Step 2. Start with the digit in the ones place of the smaller number and multiply it by the bigger number. Write the product in the row below. Step 3. Multiply the digit in the tens place of the smaller number by the bigger number. Step 4. Multiply the digit in the hundreds place of the smaller number by the bigger number. Don't miss to add the correct number of crosses in all the products. And final step, add all the products to get the answer. Happy learning!
Okay students, now we'll start worksheet number 3, page number 7. Multiplication without regrouping. Okay, so in that, for example, solve the 1201 multiplied by 141. So in that, first of all, we will draw the place value house. Here we have to draw the place value house. Bigger number we have to put it here, smaller number we have to put it downside. Then we have to start it ones place of smaller number and multiply it with the bigger number with write products in the below row. We have to multiply with the 1201. 1 ones are 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1 twos are 2, 1 ones are 1. So we will get product number 1, 1201. After that we will cross it out in the ones place and multiply by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 zeros are 0, 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4. So we'll get answer 4804. 4804. Then we'll cross it out in the ones and tens place and we'll multiply by 1. 1 ones are 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1 twos are 2 and 1 ones are 1. So we'll get answer product number 3, 1201. Okay, now add the products to get the answer. Now हमारे पास जो product number 1, 2 and 3 है उसको हमें क्या करना है? What we have to do? Addition. 1 as it is, 4 as it is, 2 plus 1, 3, 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 0, 9 as it is, 4 plus 2, 6, 1 as it is. So our answer is 1,69,341. Now look at this everyone. I'll give you 1 minute. So you have to write these sums in your notebook. Your time start now, students. Okay students, your work is completed. I hope so. Okay students, now we'll start unit number 1, worksheet number 4, page number 8. In that first one sum is completed. We'll start from the second one, B1 sum. 9,030 multiply 211. So in that we have to draw multiplication house. We have to write here ones, tens, 100, 1000. Then we have to write 9,030. Put it here multiplication sign 211. we have to multiply by 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1 9s are 9. Cross it out here. 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1 9s are 9. We have to put 2 cross. 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 2 zeros are 0, 2 9s are 80, 2 9s are 80. Okay, and here we have to write 10,000. Here we have to write lakhs, and here we have to write 10 lakhs. So now So now 3 as it is, 1 plus 3, 4, 1 plus 6, 7, 9 plus 0, 9, 9 plus 1, 8, 9 as it is, 8 as it is, 1. So we'll get answer 18,98,743. 930 into 211 is equal to 18,98,743. This is our answer. Look at these sums, everyone. I'll give you half and 1 means you have to complete your work. I hope so students your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. See one sum. 6,120 into 140. So we have to draw first multiplication house. we have to write here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, okay, and then 6,120 multiplied by 140. 4 zeros are 0, 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24, 4 6 are 24. Now cross it out in the ones place. 1 zeros are 0, 1 twos are 2, 1 ones are 1, 1 6 are 6. Again cross it out, ones and tens both, and then 1 zeros are 0, 1 twos are 2, 1 ones are 1, 1 6 are 6. 4 as it is. 8 plus 1 9. 4 plus 1 8 as it is. 4 plus 2 6. 4 plus 1 4, then 5. 5 plus 2 6 and 7. So we have to write here 7. 2 plus 6 8. 8 plus 1 9. 6 as it is. So we'll get the answer over here. Now students, look at these sums and write it down in your workbook, page number 8. This sum is a without regrouping sum. Here we have to write like. So answer is 6,120 multiplied by 1014 is equal to 6,97,684. This is our answer. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 2nd. That is your homework. You have to complete the worksheet number 2nd and send it to me before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. Okay everyone, bye, have a nice day.